wanted something sweet and sour, but my boys like it plain, so I pick out 1 pax portion, and I'm gonna make a Tangchu sauce to go with it. For the sauce, I'll be adding in half a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of black vinegar, and 3 teaspoons of sugar, and then I'll be adding 4 teaspoons of water. Later, when I'm cooking the sauce, I'll be adding in more water just to adjust the consistency. It's so not easy to cook 1 pax portion sauce because everything is so little. I pour in the sauce, then I heat up the pan. Once the sauce is hot, it will start to thicken up. Just make sure on low heat so that it doesn't burn. The consistency is a bit too thick, so I add some water to loosen it up. I add just a little bit, adjust as you go. Then once you get the gooey-like consistency but not too gluey, that one you have to agak-agak already lah ha. Once I found the right consistency of the sauce, I add in the fried meat. Then I just stir it around to fully coat everything. Normally I would have just pour everything on top of my rice, but today I'm making a YouTube video, so I pour it on a plate. Then I sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds, and it's done. Thank you for watching.